दहलीज पे मेरे दिल की जो रखे है तूने कदम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम। हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना, हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम। ना सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना, ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम।
Hi Nirali Ruslan, happy wedding anniversary. God bless you.
Hi Rus. Hi Neera. Happy anniversary.
तुम्हारी जिंदगी में हर वक्त खुशियाँ आए, हर साल खुशियाँ आए।
I'm not able to digest the fact that you're already married for one whole year.
ये साल कैसे गया पता ही नहीं चला, और ऐसे ही साल कब खत्म हो जाए पता ही नहीं चले।
Come back soon from your holiday, have lots of fun and then let's have lots and lots of parties together.
और तुम दोनों भी हम दोनों की तरह बुद्धि हो जाए और ऐसे ही खुशहाल जिंदगी गुजारे। मेरी दुआएं तुम दोनों के साथ हमेशा है। I love you.
God bless you.
Hi Nirali, Ruslan, wish you both a very very happy first wedding anniversary.
Hi Nilu and Ruslan. Wish you both a very happy wedding anniversary.
Ruslan, you've been a wonderful son, and I'm sure you'll be a very very good husband to Nirali for the rest of your life.
May God bless you with all the happiness and love for each other.
Nirali, Ruslan chose you, and he's got an excellent choice I think. We love you, and you're a perfect wife for him and a perfect daughter-in-law for us.
We love you all. Have a great holidays.
I just pray and hope that you'll always be happy, always on a honeymoon, always going and enjoying yourself till you're old like us and you have your own kids. So wish you all the best on this first anniversary and many many more to come, and I hope I'm there for quite a few of them. Happy anniversary, Daddy.
डूबा है यारो दो घुट नशे के मारो रास्ते भुला दो सारे घर बार के। सूरज डूबा है यारो दो घुट नशे के मारो गम तुम भुला दो सारे संसार के। Ask me for anything, I can give you everything. रास्ते भुला दो सारे घर बार के। Ask me for anything, I can give you everything. हम तुम भुला दो सारे संसार के।
Happy anniversary Nirali and Ruslan. Have many more years of happiness and lots of more parties. Enjoy.
Hi Ruslan and Nirali, wishing you guys a very happy wedding anniversary. I think you guys make a fantastic couple, and I think that you are one of those couples who are so straightforward, down to earth and humble. Be the same guys, keep smiling always. God bless you both. Cheers.
Wish you both a very happy anniversary, Rus and Neera, and God bless you with a lifetime of blissful years together.
Happy anniversary!
God bless you.
Happy anniversary, Rus and Neera. Till abs do you all apart. For the longest and the bestest forever. Have a great life.
Happy anniversary, guys. We haven't seen enough of you all year, but I think it's okay because we see lots of pictures on Insta and we know you guys are having a blast. It's awesome to see that you all have enjoyed the first year of your marriage so much. We wish you guys lots of happy journeys and babies. Happy anniversary, guys.
Hi Rus, hi Neera. A very happy anniversary to both of you. Lots of love and happiness. Love you.
Hi. Happy first wedding anniversary to the two of y'all. And may y'all have many more years together. Loads of love, luck, happiness and prosperity.
Happy anniversary, Rus and Neera. I can't believe it's a year already. I still remember practicing Sunny at your house, and I was watching the video 2 days back. Wish you both a lifetime of love, happiness, and togetherness. And meet us more often. We don't see you guys at all. Lots of love to both of you. Take care. Bye.
Happy anniversary, Ruslan Nirali. And this is us giving a message out to you. We don't have anything to say actually because you all are perfect just the way you all are.
Love you guys.
Absolutely. And we would like to see the new house at some point of time.
Yeah, we haven't been invited to the house in a year.
Nirali, you haven't cooked for us even once after you all got married.
We missed that,
Yeah, it's been a year.
Yeah.
And we miss hanging out with you all the way we used to actually.
Yeah, man. Now
you know, when you all were seeing each other, we used to
now we only see photos on Facebook and Insta and like them and like
Exactly.
secretly wish we were there with you all. But
bump into you and stuff.
yeah,
So-
but it doesn't happen.
But I think I should kind of change that a little.
Yeah.
But
And since we can't give you a kiss, I'm gonna kiss Alik for you all. Mwah.
Okay, so
Our
this is it.
watchman's dying looking
And
at us.
happy anniversary and yay!
Love you guys.
Happy anniversary, Ruslan Nira. It's been like a wild ride. It's almost a year. I still remember last year when I was at your house and we were rehearsing on different songs and Ruslan doing Besharam, Nira doing Lat Lag Gayi. It was so much of fun. I've enjoyed each and every moment of your wedding. And in this past 1 year, I've seen you guys together like a great couple. I really wish you that you are the same throughout for many more years. Please do not break the monotony of being my friends the way you were this year. I enjoyed each and every time I spent with you, whether it's going for a movie, whether it's Smokehouse Delhi for that matter, whether it's Khanvel with the Bass gang. So I think it was a fantastic ride, guys. But on the serious note, I really want to wish you all the very best. I genuinely feel blessed to have you both in my life. And I wish you togetherness for many more years coming ahead. Love you both.
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है